Let us begin with the chapter modals. Now, see, modals express functions like permission, possibility, ability, necessity, suggestion and request. Such words that express the mood of the speaker are called modals. For example, Raghav is working from home. Raghav may work from home. Here in the second sentence, it expresses the mood of the speaker that he may work from home. There is a possibility that he will work from home. The main verbs in the sentences are working and work respectively. The first is used as auxiliary verb, and in the second sentence, the modal may serves the same purpose. Modals are also auxiliary verbs, but they can never change form. Difference between modals and auxiliary verb is that auxiliary verb changes the forms. For example, see, walking, while modals don't change the form. You can't say maying. It will only be may. May I take your book for a minute? Yes, you may take the book. Could I please read about what you have written? You may read what I have written. Can I have a bite of that patty? You can have a bite of that patty. We use may, can and could to seek permission. May is formal, could is more so, while can is informal. You use may to grant permission formally and can to grant permission informally. Okay. Now see, permission to enter the classroom. May I come in? Okay. Or yes, you may come in, like that. Okay. I cannot speak French. I cannot speak French. When I was young, I could write very fast. We use can and could to express ability. While we use can for general abilities, we use could for someone that used to do something in the past. Always remember, can is for the present abilities that a person can do or cannot do. We use could for someone's abilities in the past. Could is the past form of can. I should eat healthy food. You could join a painting class. We use should and could for suggestions. Occasionally can is also used. All these rules you have to learn. Look at the dark clouds. It may rain heavily today. There is a possibility that it will rain. He might not come for the class today. He was not too well yesterday. The bus is usually on time, but I have a feeling it could be late today. We use may, might, could to express possibility. They show something in the future is possible, but it is not certain. Okay. May suggests strong possibility, might weak possibility, could even weaker. So in terms of possibility, it will be may, might and could. Highest, middle, very low. Okay. I must leave early. I have a science class. We have to help him this time. We use must or have had to express necessity or compulsion. When there is a necessity, we have to do. When something is compulsory, we use these two modals.